guys, the little girl in me right now is super excited because this is my first view of the Ganges.
Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here on the train to Varanasi, and I'm telling you what, this train is an aeroplane on the ground. So we have got a bunch of food that has arrived. Julie's gonna unveil things. We got some rice.
We have some rice.
We got some sort of a potato.
This is like a mixed veggie or a potato, yeah, like a aloo.
Aloo something.
This is a dal.
Dali thing.
It's a dal, I'm pretty certain. A bit spicy.
Julie's looking radiant as ever, a bit tired. We're, well, we've been on the train for how long?
To bed, let's just say.
Yeah, me too.
And then tomorrow, explore Varanasi.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got two lovely girls here. Do you want to tell me your names? Okay, cool. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired. It's been a long journey, yeah. Okay, somewhere up here the screen is going to suddenly spring into life and give us a bit more. There we go. Varanasi. It says 23:10. Okay, bye-bye.
We arrived in Varanasi late at night on our first experience of a Vande Bharat fast train.
So we have arrived at 11:12, and this is our driver. What is your name, sir?
Amit Singh.
Amit Singh.
Okay, so what have we learned so far about India? Sometimes you have to really search for the beautiful, fine-tune yourself to see the beautiful and experience the beautiful and ignore anything else.
Like the beeping.
And that is the plan.
This guy has been beeping the
Yeah,
whole way.
that is the plan for Varanasi. Watch this space.
Oh, here we go.
We went straight to our guest house, Gully Gar, which was amazing, warm, welcoming and full of character. Stephen woke before me the next day and sneaked out onto the rooftop. From up there, the city felt very different. The chaos below had softened and the silvery light of morning spread across the rooftops. I couldn't help but notice how different it was from the deep reds and the lush greenery we had left behind in Rajasthan.
Sleepy morning, the sun is coming up, and I'm on the rooftop of, I don't know, it's got a name, but I don't know what it's called, but I'll just quickly show you the top of the roofs. Okay, I'm signing off now. I might even go back to bed. Haley and me have just gotten out of bed. This is our...
Well, we've been chilling for a bit, having a nice ease into the day in Varanasi. So we spent quite a lot of time in a tuk-tuk last week, and maybe less this week, maybe more on foot, I think. Trying to have an omelette every now and then for the morning to keep us going for the day, really.
It's a good meal to start in the morning. Generally, I don't know what it is about India. I don't feel I need to eat as much here. Just got to dodge the sweets, and there's a lot of sugar and stuff, but Yeah, I don't know. Are we losing
Yeah,
weight? Or putting it
I'm
on?
going to admit some sweets were bought for children, and some sweets were consumed by adults on the
There was.
train.
You're supposed to keep
We're not
that
doing that
quiet.
again. We're not doing it again.
No,
If
next
so,
time.
we need them in a lockable bag.
We're gonna have breakfast now, so thank you, sweetie.
So cute. And this is. Oh,
Okay. What have we
Is
got,
this-
Julie?
is this a?
It's a banana pancake, I think. They do the same breakfast for everybody. You come out, you get your bits and pieces. I think I'm not sure, but
This is. I hate watching myself eating. By the way, this is a really delicious, like creamy rice pudding. Actually, it's really nice. Oh wow!
So guys, this is
So
Sora,
much food.
and he is obviously getting
Hello.
well stuck
Good
in.
morning.
The thing about this place is that
Wow.
you guys are so nice to everybody. They're interactive with us. They're going to make sure everybody's having a good time. Yeah, so we like it here a lot so far. I mean, we've only just landed, but we're already getting mad good vibes. So, okay, let's eat. Oh yeah, the omelette just turned up. Yum.
So far, Varanasi, nice soft landing. I really needed a soft landing in this place. So yeah, we'll see. The plans are maybe a walking tour, a boat ride, an arty later, because we're really close to Ghats. And then we'll see, maybe go off and explore, I can't remember the name of it now, where the Buddha is meant to have done his first teaching. That might be nice on a motorbike, maybe.
It's all right.
I've just realised I'm sat perfectly placed with this fantastic painting of, is it Shiva or is it a sadhu?
I think it might be a sadhu. No, well, there's a dude. He's praying. He's got the prayer beads.
Sadhu.
I don't know is the answer. All right, we're out. We're out and about. We've just come out of the hostel.
This is quite nice here, look. Look at all these buildings, a nice coffee, hangout cafe, idli, dosa.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Very
We're
good.
good, thank
What is your
you.
name, sir?
Bully.
Bully. Mera naam is Steven hai. Good to meet you, Bully.
Asigat this way.
Cigar.
Asigat. Okay. So
Dhanyavad.
Asigat is this way.
Dhanyavad. When we finally stepped into Asigat, the Ganges revealed itself for the first time. The river stretched wide, silver and flowing, carrying the morning light and the gentle stir of the city around it, the first real taste of the rhythm of this sacred place. Hey guys, the little girl in me right now is super excited because this is my first view of the Ganges. Babe,
Yeah.
I've been waiting for this for so long, and I'm here. This is Asigat, and we're staying really close by. And this is where I do believe the arty takes place this evening, which again, it's something that I've waited my whole life to see. And we sit on these steps and we've been told to get here early, and they do the fire ceremony and the puja. Asika.
I think this has been
I'm a little bit
ladies and
emotional.
gentlemen.
I'm a little bit emotional.
We're on this boat with a load of very beautiful people. And Julie, do you want to tell everybody how we got on this boat?
Yeah, well, I got offered a boat last night for two of us for 2,500 for one and a half hours. I thought, it's okay. And then we came down here and thought we'd see with the locals, and they said 1,200 each for half an hour. Okay, so I thought, no. I said, no. And then another guy, within about 2 minutes, came up to me and he said, Julie, he heard me say my name, Julie, he said, 100 for 1 hour. And I was like, 100 each for 1 hour. I don't care if it's half an hour. It's amazing. So we're waiting for the boat to go, and I'm on the Ganges. I'm on the Ganges. Finally, I'm in Varanasi on the Ganges, and I can't quite believe it. Leaving just minutes from our guest house, the river carried us slowly past dozens of ghats, each alive with ritual and life, each with its own personality, it seems, each with its own reason. So here's my love on a boat.
I'm going to do this with the mic because, I don't know how well it's picking us up, but it just feels lovely. All the people here are just divine, It's like everybody's smiling, welcoming us. And, do you know what? When something is meant to happen, right, it suddenly becomes easy to happen. And like this whole thing about 1,200 for a ticket, really all we have to do is speak a bit of Hindi, and all I need to do then was to leave Julie do her thing, me walk away disgusted, and then Julie came and said, Stephen, there's 100! And I'm like, no way. So I guess the temple is sinking into the Ganges.
The Cremation temple.
It's a holy temple.
We disembarked at the Bundi Parkota Ghat, drawn to its incredible murals that seem to tell centuries of stories. Mama ji, Nana ji me. मेरा नाम है जूली, आपके नाम है?
मेरा नाम है लाज।
Lads, hello lads. How are you?
Very good.
इंग्लिश नहीं बोलने आता।
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's okay. You're very cute.
हिंदी।
Hindi.
Hindi.
Sab kuch milega.
सब कुछ पाया।
Hey.
So sab kuch milega means anything is possible.
दिल ना दिया, दिल ना लिया, बोला ना बेटा का किया, लेके दुनिया में भी अगर प्यार ना किया तो क्या किया? मार दे।
From there, we spent the next 3 hours getting completely lost in the tiny, winding streets of Varanasi. We had such an incredible adventure.
Stephen is buying more sweets.
The Pied Piper.
Sweets. More sweets. Watch this space. Apparently these sweets are for the children.
How much? Kitna hai? That's 3, 4, 5.
We met locals, shared smiles, avoided huge cowpats, watched skilled artisans crafting their wares, and marvelled at hundreds of tiny temples and painted buildings hidden away in the folds of this magical city.
Dhanyavad, guys. Dhanyavad. So
Dhanyavad.
these guys are at a wedding, going to a wedding. They're about to go down to the Ganges. We were where we just were, looking at the big blue wall, and Shiva and Vishnu, and I think Lakshmi is there. Okay, so
Have a good time, guys. Have a really good time. Bye-bye. Namaste.
bye-bye.
Every corner revealed something unexpected. A temple tucked behind a house, a painted doorway, a burst of flowers, a child playing in the courtyard or coming home from school.
Gram, 100 grams. So altogether 100. Or 200 grams. How much for 200 grams mix? So I've just bought myself a little, kind of a personalized Bombay mix, which is not Bombay at all, because we're in Varanasi, but I just basically got 3 different things. These kind of like yummy, I think it's all sesame stuff. Totally not chili, not spicy.
Okay.
Something from home, a peanut. And last but not least, I mean, I'm pretty sure these are sesame or soy or something, but they're definitely in Bombay mix, and they're delicious too. They're the things with a little bit of spice, and I made this myself.
Varanasi,
Nice.
we realised, wasn't just to be seen. It was to be felt, experienced, and discovered step by step. As we wandered further, we stumbled upon a narrow alley where a funeral procession was making its way to the river. The colours were bright, the body carried by family members, music playing, chanting rising in the humid air. A journey delivering the dead to their final resting place. In Hindu tradition, being cremated along the Ganges is considered the greatest honour. The river is sacred, believed to cleanse sins and guide the soul towards moksha, which is liberation from the cycle of life and death, the end to reincarnation. To be laid on the banks of the Ganges is to be connected to the eternal flow of life, death, and rebirth. It is a passage of devotion and release where the family's prayers and rituals help the soul continue its journey. We met a family deeply in touch with their roots. The father, the eldest son of the deceased, had shaved his head and donned white robes, performing the traditional rites for his mother. His son, the grandson of the woman, who had grown up mostly in Ireland, invited us to join. We shared a quiet, reflectful, meaningful conversation about what this experience meant to him, a younger, more westernised generation still deeply honouring his family's traditions. The procession, the chanting, the careful movements of the family, it was profoundly humbling, and it couldn't be further from the way we approach death here in the West. In that moment, Varanasi revealed a way of engaging with life and death that felt at once intimate, sacred, and deeply human. This is an experience we will never forget.